So you'll see all of those things happen in Matthew.
At Lee Park Prep, we want to provide a sound, college-based education encompassed by a biblical worldview, and we believe that this equips our students for life.
God became flesh and came to this world to save us.
The Bible class is the most important class we take, and it's the first class we take. I think that really sets the tone for the rest of the day.
Listen, these students will forget some of the facts they learn in this school, but that biblical worldview is something that can last for a lifetime. Excellent graph.
Thank you.
One of the great things about Lee Park Prep is we have teachers who are highly qualified. Many of them have degrees in their fields or related fields, and that translates greatly to the classroom. They are able to prep students for those areas of study in college, and it benefits them greatly.
This is a huge ministry to people that can't just go out and buy new clothes.
Missions has been a part of the overall vision of the school from the very beginning.
What do you think about what's going on here?
I think that it's a good work.
It is good work.
Every single time that we have those mission trips, I always love going out because it always helps me to get a bigger idea of what other people are going through.
Physically, we provide healthy living courses and athletics so they learn the value of developing healthy habits at an early age. And socially, we foster an atmosphere of cooperation, kindness, and friendship.
Everyone's so happy to be with each other, very supportive of each other. We never let each other get down. I can only give credit to the Lord on that because it's like a Lee Park Prep family.
Sowing those seeds daily and tending them by giving students a place where they can focus on their skill development and their spiritual growth is really why we're here. We know that in today's world there's so much uncertainty, and we know that we'll write the school year in pencil because we're going to have to erase. Changes are going to be needed, and we'll make new where new is needed. What we know for certain is God's Word is written in ink, and it does not change.